In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Wise mobile app on Android smartphone. So if you are having a challenge or a problem with your Wise mobile app, maybe it is not opening or it is not responding, then let me show you how you can solve the problem. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this should work the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing to do is to go to settings and then tap on it to open. Then scroll down and look for apps and then open. Then look for the function called manage apps. And this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for your Wise app. And our Wise app is here. Tap on it to open. So we are interested in this app information, and that's where we can do our troubleshooting from. Alternatively, you can still get to app information by just long pressing on your Wise app and then tap on app information. This will still land you to the same page here. Now, if we go to storage, look for the option called cache. And as you can see here, we have a lot of cache data that has been stored by our app. Now, cache is one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning, and what we need to do is to clear it. So to clear your cache data, all you need to do is to tap on clear data here. Alternatively, if you go back, you can still see we have clear data option here that you can use. If we tap on clear cache and then go ahead and tap on OK, you can see the cache data has been cleared. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app, and it should just work fine. But should you still have a problem at this moment, then you may want to go to Play Store and then open it and search for your app. And then open it and look for any option called update. If you have an update here, it means that you are having a challenge because you are using the old version of Wise app. So go ahead and update if you have an update option here. And then the latest version of Wise app will be installed on your smartphone. Then log in and your app should run just fine. But in case that didn't solve your problem, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall your app. You can install it here again from Google Play Store and then install it afresh. Alternatively, you can still long press on it here and then tap on remove and then go to Play Store and install it afresh. So by using any of those methods that I have mentioned, you should be able to solve any issue with your app. Should you still encounter any challenge, then from this stage, you may want to contact Wise and find out if the problem is emanating from their end. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.